Hello guys, welcome to Business Curve. Let's start today business and finance news of the world. So the first news is, startup investors are warning of dark days ahead as boom times are obvious over. Prominent venture capital firms are telling their portfolio companies to start cutting costs and looking for ways to cushion their cash position. It's a stark contrast to last year when IPO were raising record amounts of cash. Valuations were sky high and venture firms' wallets were wide open. Y Combinator said companies have to understand that the poor public market performance of tech companies significantly impacts VC investing. So the next news is, Japan's Nikkei 225 jumps close to 2% as Asia stocks rise ahead of major economic data this week. Shares in Asia-Pacific traded higher Monday morning, with Japanese stocks leading gains regionally. China is set to announce its official Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for May on Tuesday, while U.S. jobs data is expected Friday. Markets in the U.S. are closed on Monday for a holiday. So the next news is, flight cancellations ease after rocky start to Memorial Day weekend. Airlines canceled hundreds of flights at the start of Memorial Day weekend. Bad weather contributed to many of the delays, with Delta posting the most disruptions as of Sunday morning. Airfare has jumped as bookings rise and airlines offer limited options to travelers. So the next news is, ex-Disney CEO Bob Iger takes stake in Australian design company Canva, which has been valued at $40 billion. Former Disney CEO Bob Iger has made an investment in Australian graphic design company Canva. Canva announced a $40 billion valuation in September. Iger has made several investments with his own money since stepping down from Disney's board in December, including delivery company GoPuff and toy maker Funko. So the next news is, some investors got rich before a popular stablecoin imploded, erasing $60 billion in value. In May, the collapse of one of the most popular US dollar-pegged stablecoin projects cost investors tens of billions of dollars as they pulled out in a panic that some have compared to a bank run. A stablecoin known as Terra USD and its sister token Luna experienced a pretty spectacular run-up before it all collapsed. Venture capital firm Pantera Capital tells CNBC their $1.7 million investment in Luna turned into $170 million, while Hack VC and CMCC Global exited their Luna position in December and March, respectively. So the next news is, Japan is finally seeing some inflation, but it may not be time to celebrate. Japan's core consumer prices may be approaching the central bank's 2% target, but veteran entrepreneur Ernie Higa says it's not time to cheer yet. The core consumer price index in Tokyo, which excludes fresh food and energy, rose 1.9% in May compared to the previous year, government data showed Friday. Japan is currently facing cost-push inflation where prices are going up while wages are not following, leaving retailers in a difficult situation. Higa told CNBC's Squawk Box Asia on Friday. So the next news is, Elon Musk says it's dumb to call billionaires the bad guys. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, said on Twitter Thursday that billionaires aren't the bad guys. Musk tweeted that it is morally wrong and dumb to use the word billionaire as a pejorative if that person is using their wealth to create products that make millions of people happy. He added that if he could, he also would get rid of charitable deductions and class action lawsuits. So the next news is, Memorial Day gas prices hit 10-year high adjusted for inflation. Gas prices are painfully high this Memorial Day weekend as millions of Americans hit the road for the unofficial start of summer. The $4.60 a gallon average price for regular gas and all-time high in pump prices are also very elevated on an inflation-adjusted basis. So the next news is, McDonald's new brand name in Russia could be fun and tasty. McDonald's in Russia has registered possible brand names for the firm taking over its fast food restaurants there, including Fun and Tasty, and the same one patent filings showed on Friday. The company said on Friday that the trademarks registered with Russia's Rospatent agency, from which it ultimately planned to choose one brand, also included Just Like That and Open Checkout. The world's largest burger chain has nearly 850 restaurants in Russia, and it's selling those stores to local licensee Alexander Gover, who runs an operation of 25 restaurants. Gavr will operate the brand under a new name in Russia, and other franchisees will be given the option of working under the new brand.